Welcome to the refinance section. Refinancing is the process of replacing your existing loan with a new loan that provides you with some added benefit. There are tons of benefits that you could derive from refinancing. Typically, they're going to fall in maybe 2 or 3 categories. You'll have people that refinance to lower the payment on their mortgage or mortgages. You'll have people refinance to lower their overall payments, which I'll explain later. Or you have people refinancing to get cash out for some purpose, home improvement, debt consolidation. Like I mentioned, there are tons of benefits that you could derive from refinancing. Here are just a couple, and there are more listed below on the website. Scenario 1. You have a 3.5 interest rate with 27 years left on your current loan, and your current loan principal and interest mortgage payment is $1,571.66. Your current loan balance is $350,000. You refinance down to a 2.75 interest rate, and the loan costs are $1,800. The new loan lowers your principal and interest payment down to $1,436.19. This refinance drops your mortgage payment by $135.47 per month. So you may ask, does it make sense to refinance into this new loan? Well, there are a couple ways to determine this. One way is divide the $1,800 in closing costs by the $135.47 monthly savings. So if you divide $1,800 by $135.47, you'll come out with 14. In other words, the $135.47 monthly savings pays for the $1,800 in closing cost in 14 months. So this loan makes sense if you plan to live in the home for at least 14 more months. Scenario 2. You have a 3.5 interest rate with 27 years left on your current loan again, and your current loan principal and interest mortgage payment is $1,571.66. Your current loan balance is $350,000. Your minimum credit card payments total $610 per month, and your credit card balances total $22,500. You've been paying on these credit cards for years, and the balances do not seem to come down at all. So, you refinance down to a 3.375 interest rate with closing cost of $2,600. You add the $2,600 in closing costs to the new loan. You also add the $22,500 in credit card debt to the new loan. Your new loan balance is $375,100, and your new principal and interest payment is $1,658.30. So your current principal and interest payment, once again, is $1,571.66, plus your current credit card minimum payments of $610, total $2,181.66. The new loan drops your monthly payments by $523.36 and turns the compound interest of the credit card debt into simple interest of a mortgage. You also might be eligible for an additional tax write-off. Consult your local tax professional.